Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asfa Sheikh.
and I am doing a video today. ओके आज का इंट्रो थोड़ा अच्छा था और हाँ मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँगी क्योंकि हाँ हमारी ऑडियंस ज़्यादातर हिंदी है आई मीन इंडियन है और तो हिंदी में भी बातें करेंगे अच्छा पड़ेगा आगे के वीडियोस के लिए क्योंकि हिंदी में ही अच्छा लगता है बीच बीच में इंग्लिश में बात करूँगी मतलब आई मीन बीच बीच में हिंदी में भी बात करूँगी एंड देन What the hell? I showed you guys my pajama. I'm being so presentable on top and down I'm wearing pajama and I just showed you guys like this shit. ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. Okay, forget it. इट्स ओके चलता है. यू गाइस नोज लाइक होता है ऐसा और ऊपर से प्रेजेंटेबल लगना ज़रूरी है. और सॉरी इफ़ आई एम नॉट लुकिंग दैट
Presentable because of my hair. I have not left my hair. There is a reason behind it because I had bath, and if I have bath, my hair is all frizzy, and next day they look really nice. But on the day I have bath, they look very frizzy,
and I have a bad hair day so I had to tie. It's okay, it looks presentable, right? I look like a student? No, but I look nice. I'm cute, right? Okay, cutting out all the over drama and all the
Okay, so let's begin today's video. In today's video, I will tell you 10 things which I used in February, in the month of February, and I loved it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about them. So let's begin with the first product, which is this product. This is from Plum, grapeseed seed, yeah, Nutriplenish face mist. This is a mist which you can use like for your face. You can also use this as your makeup fixer in the end of your makeup after finishing your makeup. So I got this in February, soon after my birthday, and see, I just used like so much of it. I use it every day, and see, अभी तक इतना ही ख़त्म हुआ है. दैट मीन्स ये कितना अच्छा है. और ये मुझे बहुत कम प्राइस में मिला है, बहुत कम नहीं, 360 का है.
लेकिन आई गॉट दिस फॉर 300 आई थिंक ऑन नाइका विच इज़ वेरी गुड. 60 रुपीज़ कम पड़े हैं बट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ वर्थ ओके. 300 भी इसका लाइक इट्स वर्थ इट बिकॉज ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. इफ़ यू अप्लाई दिस योर स्किन गेट इंस्टेंट ग्लो एंड माई स्किन इज़ वेरी ड्राई सो दिस स्पेशली फॉर ड्राई स्किन. इफ़ यू गाइस हैव ड्राई स्किन don't wait, order this is amazing. And if you have oily skin they have for oily skin as well which is green in color, same bottle but green color mein hai. I think it is green apple and it is also very nice. I have read the reviews, you can try it and definitely it will be worth because this one is really nice.
Next is the two moisturizers which I'm using. One is for my hand and one is for my face. Now I am a person who doesn't like to do all the skincare and I have no time, meaning even if I have time I'll forget, I won't do. So I think this is the best one for me for my face, which is Lotus Herbal. This is recommended by my cousin sister to me and I was like महंगा है, मैं नहीं लेने वाली, इतना कौन वेस्ट करेगा स्किन पे. So like me who doesn't like doing all the skincare and all, so one cream is done. You can wash your face with any face wash whichever you're using and then apply this. This is Lotus Herbal gel cream which is really nice. You can use this on your face and your neck before sleeping. Okay, and this is for 390, yeah, and I got this for 300. अब आप बोलोगे 390 तेरे लिए महंगा था. हाँ महंगा था because I don't like applying all this, but yeah, I thought this is a good catch. So 390 भी महंगा है ओके, बट एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए चलता है. सो बट आई गॉट दिस फॉर 300 विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. नाइका पे सेल था सो आई गॉट दिस फॉर 300. तो इवन इफ यू आर लाइक मी देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. दिस इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ लाइक विच आई टोल्ड यू फॉर माई हैंड्स एंड ऑल. I got this as a gift, like for giveaway I think, and since then I really like this. This is for your hand and your body. This is from the Body Shop strawberry one, which is nice. I think this is also for 300 but it's a gift, I didn't purchase this. Okay, so this is a gift and this is for 300 and this is really nice. And you can apply this on your body and hand after you have bath, and this smells like strawberries. You will feel like eating this. Like, see this perfume from Black Musk. This is amazing perfume. This smells amazing. This is little expensive but yeah, This smells amazing, super amazing. This is really good. Like if you put this on and if you go, you feel so fresh and nice. This is very light perfume but smells amazing. So this is one of my favorites. This lipstick from Studio West, from West Side. This is a red lipstick. If you guys know me, you know how much do I love red lipsticks. This is one of them, and I love red lipsticks. I love applying red lipstick. No other lipstick, only red lipstick for me. Okay, it works for everyone, I feel, because even if you are not put on any makeup and you apply red lipstick and you're ready to go. So yeah, that's why I like red lipsticks. And so this is like, they have a team, they have a family which runs this company, Plant Therapy. They had sent me this and many other products. They have different essential oil, face gel, and I think hand creams and many more. You can check on their site. And this is really amazing. It took time to arrive, like it took 1 month to arrive. Yeah, because it is in Washington, तो टाइम लगा थोड़ा आने के लिए, 1 महीना लगा शायद. हाँ, but this is amazing. See, I have already used a lot of it and I still have a lot of it in it. So yeah, if you have stretch marks, you should definitely go for this one, because I had few stretch mark on my leg. And what happened is, I mean both the legs, what happened is I started applying a thick layer of body butter, and what happened is they actually become very light. If you have stretch marks, then definitely go. Next is this glasses. So good, right? It looks so nice and it goes with the vibe, and I have used this a lot. This is just 100 rupees, by the way. Just 100 rupees. Can you believe it? सिर्फ 100 रुपये का है ये. It looks very nice, very luxurious and very good. I got this from a small fair in my city, but it is worth, because it goes on anything. Like, it especially goes on pink and white a lot, and it looks very cute. I really like it. I feel like we keep on wearing it, but yeah, let's remove it. One of my favorite. And next is this makeup palette, I mean for my eyeshadow. This is very nice because this has all nude shade and it has a brush along with it. I really like this one because it has all nude shades, and it is one of my favorite because yeah, you know what happened is, like, whenever you want to look bold, or even if you don't want to look bold, you want a very no makeup like look, you can apply any of this shade and it really does the work, and it is amazing. Okay, next is my favorite current Netflix series, which is You. Okay, not You I mean, you guys are also my favorite, but the name of the series is You. This was recommended one of my closest friend to me, and yeah, since then I think I watched one episode in February, and that time I was like not interested, but then later I started watching it and I really like it, and I'm still watching it. It's not yet over, so I'm currently watching it. It's like a thriller and love story, and how the people around you actually are, it tells you. So I think you should definitely watch. If you like thriller, you can watch this series called You. Okay, last but not the least, this is the cutest bag I ever had. This is like a clutch which has nice cute little chain. It has a bigger chain as well, but I think I have kept it somewhere. And yeah, I really like the detailing and the diamonds around it. This was given by my best friend on my previous birthday, but I have used this a lot this month, I mean in Feb. And this looks Indian, but this goes with anything. It goes with casual outfit, it goes with western outfit. It's amazing. It goes with literally anything. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do share this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you guys liked it, then like this video and do subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, because बहुत कम है अभी तक subscribers और I need to grow. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family, and please tell them to subscribe as well. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.